Do you ever find yourself staring at the mirror, wondering how to shed those extra pounds without hours of exhausting workouts? Or maybe you're stuck juggling work, family, and barely have time for yourself, let alone exercise. What if I told you there's a way to lose weight faster just by eating the right foods without even breaking a sweat? Stick with me, because in this video, I'm not only sharing the secret to losing weight quickly with the right diet, but also revealing a bonus tip at the end that could transform your weight loss journey. In this video, we'll break down a simple no-fuss plan that will help you lose weight faster by eating the right foods. And like I promised, stay tuned till the end, because I've got an extra tip that will make your weight loss journey even easier. Let's get one thing clear. Losing weight isn't just about burning calories at the gym. It's about understanding how food fuels your body. The great thing about focusing on diet is that it doesn't require hours of working out. And for busy women, that's a game changer. You see, food plays the biggest role in your weight loss journey. Think of it this way. Around 70 to 80% of your weight loss success comes from what you eat, and only about 20 to 30% from exercise. So, if you're short on time, the right diet is your golden ticket to faster weight loss. Let's get into how you can start seeing results without needing extra time in the day. First things first, it's time to break up with refined sugars and flours. Did you know that even a tiny spoonful of sugar can lead to a big problem? In fact, 95% of the sugar you consume gets converted into fat in your body. Crazy, right? Refined flours like white bread, white rice, and pastries are also not good. They don't just add calories, they turn into fat almost instantly. But don't worry, this doesn't mean you can't enjoy delicious meals. Switch out refined sugar to fruits. Papaya and guava are great options. Instead of white rice or bread, opt for whole grains like oats or millet. These are healthier, keep you full longer, and guess what? They don't spike your blood sugar. Want to know the easiest way to get started on this? I'll tell you more about that in just a bit. Now, let's talk about something simple that makes a huge difference. Water. Drinking at least 2 liters of water a day is crucial for weight loss. It helps flush out toxins and keeps you feeling full, so you don't overeat. Plus, drinking water helps speed up your metabolism. Just imagine something as easy as sipping water can actually help you burn calories faster. But are you drinking enough water every day? Be honest. Alright, next up, let's talk about what your meals should look like. A well-balanced plate is the secret to steady, long-lasting weight loss. Your focus should be on whole grains and veggies. Whole grains like oats, barley and brown rice not only keep you full longer, but also keep your blood sugar stable. Add in lots of vegetables, carrots, spinach, broccoli. The more colorful your plate, the better. And don't forget to add a healthy protein source like lentils or beans. These are packed with fiber and will keep you full for hours. Wondering what a perfect weight loss friendly meal looks like? Stay tuned, because I'll show you an example meal plan later in the video. You don't need to starve yourself to lose weight. In fact, snacking between meals can actually help you shed those extra pounds. But the key is to snack smart. Instead of grabbing chips or cookies, choose something like nuts, fruits, or a yogurt smoothie. Apples, almonds, and a handful of mixed seeds are perfect snack options. These snacks give your body the energy it needs without adding too many calories. And guess what? They can even boost your metabolism. Want to know the number one snack that can speed up your weight loss? Stick around for the bonus tip at the end. Here is a big one. Never skip breakfast. If you're in a rush, I get it. You might think skipping breakfast will help you cut calories, but it actually works against you. Skipping breakfast slows down your metabolism, making it harder to burn fat throughout the day. Instead, start your day with a healthy, filling breakfast. Think oatmeal with fruits or a smoothie packed with veggies and protein. This will give you energy and keep you from feeling hungry later on. Ever wondered what happens when you skip breakfast too often? Well, it can lead to something unexpected. I'll explain more about that later. Let's talk about when you eat, not just what you eat. One of the biggest mistakes people make is eating dinner too late. Eating after 8 p.m. gives your body less time to digest food, which means more of it gets stored as fat. Try to eat your dinner by 8 p.m. and keep it light, maybe a veggie soup or a salad. This simple trick can help your body process food more efficiently, helping you lose weight faster. But what if you're hungry after 8 p.m.? I've got a solution for you coming up in just a few moments. Now, as promised, here's the bonus tip you've been waiting for. If you really want to accelerate your weight loss, try incorporating Triphala at night. This natural herbal mix helps with digestion and detoxes your body while you sleep. Pair it with a cup of ginger water and you'll wake up feeling lighter and more energized. Also, make sure to get enough sleep. Lack of sleep increases your hunger hormones, making you crave unhealthy food the next day. So, getting that 7 to 8 hours of rest is crucial for weight loss. So, let's recap. We talked about ditching refined sugars, hydrating properly, building balanced meals, snacking smartly, never skipping breakfast, and eating dinner before 8 p.m. All of these steps are super simple and easy to integrate into your busy life. But remember, the key to success is consistency. Stick to these tips and you'll start seeing results faster than you think. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and share it with your friends. And hey, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.